Hi there, it's Miss Heather from the Counseling Office with a quick webinar to help you complete your FERPA waiver release authorization for the Common Application, which is the first important step to complete your teacher and counselor recommendation request process online. So go ahead and go to commonapp.org, enter your credentials, and sign in. There are two places in the Common Application where you can find information related to the FERPA waiver release authorization. The first place is under the Dashboard tab, and you see your colleges listed. If you click Show More Details to expand this section, you'll see Recommenders and FERPA section is in process. You also can find it under the My Colleges tab, and by selecting a college on the left-hand sidebar, you see also a place where you can click Recommendations and FERPA. Please click that now. You'll see you have a blue button here which begins the completion of the FERPA release authorization. Click the blue button to complete. At the first step, you see three sections which helps you understand how the FERPA waiver impacts your college application process. The first is that it allows you to give permission to NITO to send your student educational records to colleges listed on the Common Application on your behalf. So you are giving permission to us as a school to release your records. The second important point is you are waiving your right to review the letters that are written on your behalf in the college application process. After you read these important points about the FERPA waiver release, you can click I have read these items and understand the explanations, and then click the blue Continue button. This is now an acknowledgement that you are giving permission to NITO and all of your former high schools to release records on your behalf to complete the college application process. Click Yes, you do. And when you do that, you then come to the last important step about whether you would like to waive your right to review all recommenders or do not waive your right. We've talked a little bit about the reasons why I'm counseling you to waive your right, and that counselors and teachers will only agree to write you very strong letters of recommendation. We are writing letters to colleges about you, not letters to you and your family to read at this time in your process. I recommend that you waive your right to review all recommendations and supporting documents at this time, and then you finally get to click the box saying, I understand what I just did by waiving my rights, because once you complete this page, your selections cannot be changed once you sign and click Save below. Scroll down a bit further, and this is one of many e-signatures that you're going to prepare in the college process. Please print your full name and click the date here. And once you hit Save and Close, you'll complete the FERPA waiver release authorization process, and this will then be applied to all of the colleges on your Common Application. So click Save and Close. I'm not going to do that because I'm working on a practice account. I like to be able to do this process a few times, but click Save and Close and you will see a green check mark in the FERPA section for each of your colleges. But please, a note of caution, disregard all other information related to recommenders in the Common Application, as we will complete all tasks related to teacher and counselor recommendations through Maya Learning. So this is the last time that you should be in this section in the Common Application. Once you click Save and Close and you see the green check mark next to this section, you're done. Thanks for listening.